This is the final result. This is what the output should look like after we build it. If you want to attempt to do that yourself first, which I encourage you to do, even though we haven't covered many of these concepts, I still encourage you to give it an attempt. So this is the first screen. As an internal user, I'll just see this and then I'll select a household. I'm gonna go through this twice. Once without with the primary screens only, without using the custom buttons. Then we're gonna run through it again quickly with these custom buttons. So selecting a household and then selecting a participant from that household. I'll select a program. You notice there is only the program data table. There is no benefits down here. If I select one, then the benefits shows up with the with these. You notice if I select a different program, maybe it was just taking a minute with health, then different information show up here, different benefits, that the ones that are related to the program that I'm selecting. I'm going to go back to education, select tuition fees, and then add some explanation here, fees, and then some academic year to 5,000. And then the total cost shows up here. This is display text with the formula, just like doing this times this. And then you can, this is the finish button renamed to submit intake, where we can then submit, and then a success screen, and that's it. Let's run it again with the new households. Let's add a new household. Let's say Omega 15. This is a repeater component where we can click add to add multiple, like this. So we're adding 2. Let's do next. Now here we see this 15 and 16, the ones we just submitted. If we select one of those and click next, no participants yet. Let's add a participant or a couple of participants to this one. Omega test. Let's say kilo. Yeah, I don't have that much creativity with names. And let's just do this. So we're adding 2 participants, same thing, the repeater component. Next, it's going to take us back to the same screen where we select a participant. We added them here, both of them. Let's select one, go next, and then we just repeat the next couple of steps in the same way. And that's it.